Hey guys, welcome to Sleight of Doug. So today I went to visit my nieces and we did a little unboxing and review of Quincy, the robot artist. So check this out. We got three different types of index cards. One's had numbers on it, one's had letters on it, and the others had different pictures. There were 4 different books that had different levels. We also got 2 pens, a USB holder, and we got these arms. So now we're gonna set up our Quincy. First thing you want to do is you want to attach these arms, it seems. So when you attach these arms and you turn it on, you'll notice that it's calibrating itself. All right, so it's calibrating, and then it has, oh, it actually talks. So now it's telling us to help it calibrate itself and insert the pen. Okay, so now choose any of the pictures and they have a little QR code on the back. You have it scanned, and then there are 3 buttons light at the top. One is for you to move forward, one is to repeat the steps, and I believe the other button is to stop the whole process of drawing altogether. So now that you guys have scanned your picture, let's take a look at how it works.
Oh, nice to meet you. Let's learn how to draw a peach today.
Alright, that was pretty cool, I have to admit. And after it finishes, it seems like
Do you know how to spell peach?
now it's asking if you can actually spell the name of the picture that you scan. So in this case, we decided to scan a peach, and it's asking us to spell the word peach. Then you have to go and use now the letter cards. You're going to take the letters and spell out the word peach, and you actually scan each letter in front of the robot. So as you'll notice here, there's the P, the E, I have to be honest, this is very neat. I'm not much of an artist, and as you can see here, this is the finished product of one of my nieces. She did an excellent job, and this is my other niece, and you can hear us. This is very funny. We're all laughing. Okay. So now that you guys
Pick the peach.
no, they picked it.
Oh, I picked the peach.
We were trying to do a flower.
It was a
first.
flower, but
Miss Ma'am ain't know how to draw at
Yeah.
first.
oh, was tripping out.
Yeah,
it
but
was.
now she got
But
excellent
she did the
handwriting
peach. She did
now.
the peach.
That peach is.
So now that you guys have experienced Quincy the robot artist, in your opinion, what do you feel about it?
It's
Yeah.
fun.
It
I think
is
it's
fun.
fun, especially
I can't draw.
when-
I can't draw, but it's fun.
and I'm somewhat experienced in drawing, so.
Do you guys feel like if somebody couldn't draw and they got this, like it would make them a better drawer?
Oh
Like,
yeah,
over
because
Yeah.
I
time?
don't think I was able to draw this.
So what was your first impression, like when we pulled it out the box, like what were you thinking?
Well, first the voice, it was like, "Can you help me to set up the pen?" I was like, "Oh, this sounds."
I mean, I saw it and I kind of thought like friendly robot. Kind
Yeah,
of vibe.
this
Yeah,
gave me
'cause-
Monsters vs. Alien vibes. The thing
Oh
that came
yeah,
out.
yeah.
Yeah,
That's
it gave me that
it
vibes.
did.
I was like,
Even though that one wasn't nice.
So yeah, it looked cool. I was just
yeah,
excited,
yeah.
especially with the drawing.
We tried the Quincy robot artist.
It was awesome.
Before you go, here's an unusual thought I'd like to leave you with. Do vegetarians eat animal crackers? Yeah, that's an unusual thought.